To install the battery into the AFX 110, first we need to get the components. So here we have the battery and the battery cover. In this little bag there is the screw for the battery cover, and finally the scanner itself with the battery compartment. The battery is a very tight fit in the battery compartment in the AFX 110, and so it takes quite a bit of maneuvering to get it in. First off, you need to connect the battery. There is a groove within the connector, so just match them up and connect it in. Once you've connected the battery, you need to get the connector and the wires in front of the connector into this little compartment that's in front of the battery compartment and divided by this plastic divider. There's no real great way of doing this. It's just a question of sliding it with your finger and trying to get as far forward as possible and as in as possible. Then need to pull the wires forward and try and seat the battery as far in as possible so it sits down nicely, so it's not covering these holes in front, which are going to be for the lid to go on. I then gently use the flat end of a screwdriver, a broad screwdriver which isn't sharp, to just gently press down these wires to try and get them out the way. If you've got everything right, these two holes will be clear of wires and the battery will be sat down far enough that you can put the lid on. It sometimes takes 1 or 2 tries to achieve this. Take the lid, insert the 2 lugs into the holes and snap it in. Take the screw, place it in and screw up the battery compartment. The scanner should now turn on and you're ready to set up the scanner, put in the correct date, etc.